Yeah, so I mean, I say my donors, this is one of our family, one of our brothers, you know, from the dream team. You know, he's not asking for much, and that's what we want to try to do, for getting that support when he can enhance in business.
They got to do one of them, man. Anyone that can help up on that project, that I appreciate it. See you.
I will do that.
We go on your side, like. We go on your side.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A Kino, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me feel. Then me want hear me mother drink sorry.
So today we have a stepping razor, curry steppers.
Nice.
Oh. Yeah man, so today we have a stepping razor, curry chicken foot with white rice.
Yeah.
The foot are not ready for step yet. It's a rice that's simmer down.
Steam.
Yeah. And we have a roll chef. Roll chef look him ears ring. In African ears ring. Sugar one. See ears ring there man, I don't know if you look at it. Yeah man, don't have a tray man.
Step in. Right, see that? Steam. A brown rice is here. Brown rice. Brown.
These are the best rice. Healthy rice.
Rice.
Yeah, these are the brown rice. So imagine the brown with the stepping razor.
Different taste.
I eat them food with my belly. I cramp me right now to the smell alone, Wormie. I'm gonna eat them food.
I tell you brother.
Stepping razor. Oh, my general. See, that another chef is too, you know. See the first. Tell you which one. Alright, watch this. You have so much view, I remember that face. Yesterday, a man text me and I try to mistake another man and say, yo, when we come to Jamaica, I want some of that porridge there, you know. I was seeing my boy up on the corner, but
porridge pan heads, you know.
And these are the original carrot porridge, man. Wow, chef.
Chef, you know.
Yeah. So one of them there, we need the carrot porridge pan ends, you know. Yeah, man, we need the carrot porridge pan ends there, man.
Up to things, man. Don't worry yourself, man.
Yeah, man.
We are the streets and everything already.
Yeah.
So that's up to thing.
Yes, sir.
Just call, man. Remember, say you can't call for the number.
Yo, right now, I can call you tomorrow anytime, but when you are available. Tomorrow wouldn't be tomorrow still. Yeah, so it wouldn't be tomorrow. Yeah. So anyone remember the video when I went to 8th Street, 8.5 Street up in Arnett Garden, when the man had the carrot porridge. Yo, no, I go home and try it, you know. Don't feel like I never do it, you know.
Yeah.
Of course. Blend up my carrot same way. Me even put all with them in the night to Irish night as well too. Yeah, blend the Irish night and pumpkin. Yo, we stay there. Pumpkin put on my porridge with the calm.
I know say one of them there get the food porridge, you see.
Alright.
Yeah. It's a time of yam and banana and everything combination, you see.
Yeah.
That means say no want the rice for eat for the whole side day more than just drink some water.
So when we can organize that? When we can organize the food porridge?
Anytime we're ready.
Then because you know your man busy on the roads, you know.
Yeah, sure, man, me make you know. Say yeah, do so.
Yeah, man. Because we have after spikes with the items through, you know. I know we need them bad boy porridge right now.
Say chef, yeah. Say I don't know. Everything there fun.
Alright, see the chefs in town. You see me, the greatest. Yes, my brother, man. Man, porridge bad, man. I go up on Yale Street, man. In that video, man. Them time the program never started yet. You see me? The time we just started. Yeah, man. Nice, you know. It come like him using, it come like the man using normal dairy thing then, but him not normal. He's button down. And the porridge smooth. Yo, the man think bad, me I tell you, man. You know some porridge that watery, nice. And the food porridge, we never try that one there yet. So we have to make him come drop that one in the kitchen. Wow, food porridge. I mean. Yes, because Wormie, don't know, say you as a man where your chef is a youth, you don't really say much viewers. Yeah, as we always do, we always try the same way to see what we can get out of somebody, because everybody's life is personal. You know, more time if a man not show you what go on in them life, you can't know. You see me? Sometimes they even want to impede in a man's personal space by trying to question him life. You see me? But sometimes we just push out and say, what go on with you? You see me? Like come and say, Wormie, what go on? I know you have a youth. You see me? I say, no, you have a, you get three.
One of them there on.
One of them there on. Yeah, because the son is a bad. And as I say, viewer, I never get a chance to know where Evo Wormie live. You see me? Because I know say him live up the road, but I don't know him living condition. Like I will try to highlight that thing now and then. You see me? So me don't know a man's situation. I'm if you can say Kino, you know, say you're such very. You see me? I say because all we have need. You know? And
we just hire people now to watch our need at the time. You see?
Yeah. Because I know say I have need, and you have your son see me, I wouldn't know the living condition. I like the bro.
My son know me. All the thing I just still, because I have something on money that generate cash to me.
Yeah, like you want do a little business.
Yeah, like upgrade my business more.
Yeah. Because then again, because you're a man of jerk.
Yeah, I have other ideas too. I'm going to measure that them say I have some other habits here, but I really come from one right. You see?
Okay.
Just get my problem and come there.
Yeah.
Spot there, you see?
Yeah. So you just get a spot, you just rent it.
Yeah, and I really rent. I give rent that I'm a monetary place. You see it, so I see you just forward there. And go on, because they really tired and anything there, you see it?
Yeah, okay.
Take care and anything there, but you have a little space so you must see you can go on and anything there.
So it's a jerk?
Yeah, jerk and soup and anything there.
Yeah.
You see, that's one of that thing there, so you see.
So we don't want to go and start that, because as we say, we start something yesterday, but you want something more substantial where you can get, because that's more like a weekend thing, that, right?
Yeah.
Because I'm not during the week.
No, weekend, but that's what I just go there, so like I'm going to write something without the boat, so
yeah, and that more can help her, because as I said, as you can see the program, it's not all the time. Yeah. Yeah, because sometimes it's the best way, because it's not all the time a donation and always come in, because as we say, a volunteer and people are for them life. So sometimes it's good if you can give on the fishing line and the bait for going to fish for yourself. You see me? And that sounds like something where me that more for sustain if you can give a strength, because you want to go out the way you can, because you have a youth. So with that said and done then, so you don't want support on like what then, like?
Yeah, just get the thing then, man, but I just want to say, you get even food and just buy the thing, you see?
Yeah,
you see,
yeah.
God, I think we need to start it from this.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
see, so I just need that for them for me young one a day. Once the product is there.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm just bring all that second to go and help me, you see. So meantime, me I cook him can and sell, you see. You see it?
Yeah, yeah, son.
And yeah, help go think him can do that, you see it?
Yeah, yeah. Well, that makes sense. Yeah, man, that makes sense.
Yeah, man, smart.
And you see, as a minister donors, he's not even asking for much. You see me? He just asking for can enhance in business, so he can just help support himself and him kids. You know, because he's been trying, as I can see, him do the jerk on the outside. As I can see him do the jerk on the outside here, every weekend him try for jerk, so him can have something. As I can see, it is the business outside, that's all.
Yeah.
You know, you're not set up yet, right?
No, that's that.
Alright, that's set up yet. So as you know, see previous video when you see me highlight Wormie, I say look with jerk grill because it's a weekend him normally go and do him thing. So it's more better if him can get a support, him can buy some more goods and then him can go half a tree, right? We're in a more busy area where him can expand in business. Because him have a friend we're willing to give him a space where him rent already. And that is good, and it will definitely be on a weekend. So in any form of way we can give Wormie a strength as a member, because the members them never said them need, you know, and me I ask what's the need because they never mentioned it. So this is when me have to always try to get it out. So we're gonna try our best and get some support for Wormie where we can try to expand in business. Buy some more chicken, buy some more season, buy the bread, and then we could think there, you see me, igloo, things where you can have them. So you definitely gonna need that, and because I don't know, one team, all of we are one team, and the donors are one team, one family, you know, and yeah. So Wormie is the next dream team member now. We are push up where we can give him a strength towards enlightening in business, you know, and this is it. You know, we can help everybody one time, but one at a time we can give a strength to each member. And now we give Talpi getting the strength, Wowshell getting the strength, Ewe getting the strength, same way, you see me, and we continue going. It's going around. So wherever we want to do the business, it already start, you see me? I already give him a start, so we want to give him a bigger start than what him have already. So him can go outside and do it on a weekend, and really appreciate that, because it's much better. I don't know, in the community here, a lot of people are doing it. So the business is like a competition. I have 10 jerk on one street, you have 10 food shop on one street. So
now the people, the amount of people to support.
I know, so
is it?
yeah, so
at least share and them way, is it? So that makes fun now and the out, you know. Feel like it's more better, you see?
It will better, because at least you see more variety of people, different from half a tree that, you know, that's a busy, you know. Busy, you know, so yeah, so I mean, so my donors, this is one of our one of our family, one of our brothers, you know, from the dream team. You know, he's not asking for much, and that's what we want to try to do, to get him that support where he can enhance in business.
Big up the donor, man. Anyone that can help up on that project, that impacts me, I appreciate it. All the donors, all the viewers, appreciate anything I can do for me, save me, establish the business more bigger. That's it.
Yeah.
One dream team, one family, all donor, one love straight. All the viewers, everybody watch, love straight.
Yeah, man. And yeah, man, and this is what we're here for. You know, we're a team. And we are the donors, them are family also, we're a team, same way. And you know, Wow Chef there, Wow Chef are doing things same way. Wow Chef are doing fried chicken back and fried neck and them chips. And the weekend same way, at the spot, yeah, so. And you know, Wormie, you know, there I try to do a little jerk on the side, same way, you know. So as I say, him just want to try to expand where he can go out there and do it. So to that nice him can get that support there, can just go out there and just kind of put some more strength in the business. So him can go in the business field now. So he knows at least now on the weekend now have a little better, more substantial amount of people who come and see you. More than yesterday now, you have to go see back chicken, because you can't jerk too much one time because you don't know on the crowd.
And you open street more and better,
Yes, alright, so viewers, as I can say, this is it, and we're going to support Wormie on this journey, you know. He's the next member that we're pushing up the rank right now to get some form of support. You know. Yeah, man, the donors them glad.
One step up the game, is it?
Yeah.
I don't know, my Sunday wrong more, let's eat, I have to maintain school and all of them.
Yeah.
Just so I look more.
So, yeah, man, that could strengthen there so you can help. Because I want thing with business sometimes, especially food, if you don't get the strength to support it, you end up eating it out.
Yeah.
You know, so it's better when time you're there around the market where it's moving, where you can help go back to market, because otherwise, you know, food, you end up having to eat it out.
I have a lose practically.
And you're going to lose. And you have to go and start all over back again. You know, so definitely with Father God and with the work we are doing. Yeah, we guarantee so Father God are going to make the blessings reach. You know, Father God not leave us on the wayside, never. Because we've been doing the good work. You know, you've been cooking same way, feeding the nation. So, the support will come. Same way, man. Same way the road have to take on, you know. So, I hate that. So, we give thanks to all the viewers, all my donors. I know, and this is one more prior putting out there to get the support for Wormie in the kitchen. You know, I'm regular cooking the chicken. So we want to get him out there, you know. Because I'm have one Dream Team shirt outside of jerk, see him, you know. Still I represent, you know.
Still I represent one Dream Team, love, straight.
Yes, I have a whoa. The whoa of him cook shop already, because I remember when the whole chef shop never was how it is now. And now this is where it is, you know. Alright. If I rain I come through the ceiling, I have to set the cup.
Best roof is along here, right?
I mean, because I remember one time I have to set cup and rain and fall, when I have to set cup. Yeah, and you toilet and bathroom.
Enough love.
Yes.
Love that is. I mean, no we are twice, you know.
Not one. So where you say cookers? Where are going? It's come to me. Where are going?
Some come for interview.
But he come from ball, but I never score a goal.
You never score a goal?
But I drop 2 times.
You drop. So you get up back, right? So what, you done hurry?
Them help me get up.
Them help me get up, so you alone could?
Yes, they did that hurt me.
Just start them foul the big baller. So the referee do? What the referee do?
Them just drop me.
They just drop you. Alright, we're going to tackle them back for you, yeah?
When you go back and train?
Tomorrow. I do some workouts. I watch ball game every time and tackle them hard.
How you mean? I like that.
Win the Manning Cup.
How you mean? A Manning Cup. How you mean? And I play for my team.
Who ever play for?
But me I go on wear my boot.
Yeah, man.
Who you plan for play for?
Me I play for Abba.
Abba View.
Abba View and Center Man.
Alright, nothing wrong. No one play for Boys Town.
I'm play for Boys Town tonight.
Yeah.
Too much my have.
Too much.
No, only for much.
How you mean? Holy.
Some when Baba school, them say my school get for play ball over there.
Yeah.
They never make me play ball now, but they say my school.
Why make them not make you play?
You
don't know.
I just the big man them a play and you know.
So you're how much? 5.
My birthday me come this and now my birthday come.
Esther, look at the bag.
And my birthday come.
Yeah.
And my birthday come and I come this now.
They come.
Look at my green.
How you mean? I like your boots. How you mean? So we say you do whole part training, right? Whole part training. So you're not on a ball?
Yeah, man, enough ball.
You have ball? You have enough ball already?
Yeah, anytime job hard. Anytime job hard, I'm supposed to ball. And every time I fight, boss.
You have football? You have a football?
You have football?
Every day when I have my ball and I play ball, I always score.
Oh, you mean? So you want one more ball? I have ball. You have ball. I think say my ball.
Who are your coach?
How are your coach?
Bernard.
Bernard? Okay.
Who Bernard coach?
Eh?
Who coach?
How you mean? Can't say them drop you, man, because the whole of your foot dirty up, man. I see them drop your big bad man. Put them drop the man star. Big ball. Alright, no worry.
You get the ball still.
You get the ball, though, and I'm going to fall you.
Yeah, and them drop me.
I show you a big baller, man. You name Messi. I show you a big baller, you know.
My name
Name,
Sean.
tell me what your name.
Shandy. My name Shandy, my first name is Barney.
Oh, where your football name? Which ball are you rate? Which ball are you rate?
Abag.
Where you baller? What's baller you idol?
No, I have none yet.
Where you idol? You don't watch TV?
Cristiano Ronaldo.
Cristiano Ronaldo, Messi, Mane, who?
No, Mr. Money.
Mane like you.
English league.
I'm always so better Sean from my mother.
I know it. A different one. Alright, and the cockroach, are your son?
No, I'm looking. You know?
Yeah.
I love the game, you know.
I love
You
it.
see me, man? Yeah.
Same love it, man.
Love it, man.
So for him love it, you know, say, I got know it, you know.
Yeah, man.
And if him can play it, a problem, you
I
know.
tell the mother, say, boy, if you come turn some big baller, boy, I don't know. You understand?
Yeah.
Love it.
Sure. And then you hear the man tell him and say, I got start train. Yeah, work out. Alright. Can you imagine?
Work out, I watch some ball.
Alright then.
So you tell Kino say Monday you go back at training, right?
Alright, it's a Monday then, yeah?
Monday, yeah.
Alright then, so big up. Oh, you mean pure goal? Pure goal. Oh, you mean pure goal? Oh, you mean? Pass it, let's see the big house. See
What did I say to you?
Roofing, you know, moving. Yeah, moving, you know. Oh, that Joe. Oh. Mighty Joe, young. Well. This. Sam, I watch what I go on. They say back in those days. Back in those days, Sam. So these are the generation days now of the dream team. Let's see them are going, right, Sam? Hey, give them the thumbs up. Reflect on the bass. We have Mother Teresa over there. TikTok movie star Rasta Jackson with it all over TikTok. Yeah. Viral king Rasta Jackson. Oh. And lobster. And the shrimp and the prawn. Yeah. Oh, Baja. I know say I get a phone call and she must tell you. To spot one of your pass over the pass watching on the program. And say yo, just tell him I own, him know I own. Says a pass, she says a pass from the pass. So you're getting a blast from the pass. This is what she said, must tell him say this is the blast from the pass. So she watch the program. Yeah. It's a blast on the a blast on the pass. Pick up her home. From the from the US. Then at the US, you know, she's a blast from the pass. She must big you up. She said, see me, big him up, see me.
Oh, big up yourself, man. Blast from the past.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I
call it still enough. Yeah. But you don't know.
A blast. Yes, I. Memories don't live like people do. Alright. Make sure Baja who still have camera. So you have a clue.
Push it up yourself. I lift up on this, I'm lift up on this, lift up. Push up. Give me this. No, it's about one lesson. That more go play from the mom.
Yeah, we don't do that.
Watch me. Let's go to your side. Let me see.
Watch you know, you see life in Jamaica.
You hear that Kira Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch channel, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.